Hey everyone, welcome to today's Microsoft Access training. Whether you're new to Access or just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered. In the next few minutes, we'll walk through some of the key features that will help you boost your productivity and organize your data like a pro. Let's jump in. First off, let's talk about what Microsoft Access actually is. It's a powerful database management tool that allows you to store, organize, and analyze large amounts of information. It is perfect for businesses that need to handle data in a more structured way than Excel can provide. You can create custom forms, reports, and automate repetitive tasks. And don't worry, it's easy to learn. As you can see here, Access organizes data into tables, which are like spreadsheets, but with way more power and flexibility. Let's start by setting up a database. When you first open Access, you'll see an option to create a new database. Click on Blank Database. You'll be prompted to name it and choose where to save it. Once your database is created, you can start adding tables. A table is where all your data lives. To create a table, simply go to the Table Design view and start defining your columns. These are like the different fields for your data. For example, if you're managing employee data, you might have columns like Employee ID, Name, Department, and Salary. Now let's talk about relationships. In Access, you can link different tables together to create a more efficient structure. This is important because it helps reduce redundancy and makes your data easier to manage. To create a relationship, go to the Database Tools tab and click on Relationships. Here, you can drag and drop fields to create links between tables. For example, you might link the employee table with a department table based on the department ID. Next, let's talk about forms. Forms are like custom data entry pages. They make it easier to enter, view, or edit data without directly working with the table. It's all about making things more user-friendly. To create a form, just go to the Create tab and select Form. Access will automatically generate a form based on the fields in your table. You can customize it, add drop-downs, and buttons to make it work for your specific needs. Let's move on to queries. Queries are super helpful when you need to filter, sort, or summarize your data. You can think of them like Google searches for your database. To create a query, go to the Create tab and select Query Design. Here you can select the table or tables you want to pull data from. Then, add the fields you need and apply filters. You can even use criteria to get very specific data, like only showing employees in a certain department or those with a salary above a specific amount. Finally, let's talk about reports. Reports are a great way to generate professional-looking summaries of your data, whether it's for presentations or printing. You can customize reports to include charts, tables, and other visuals. To create a report, just go to the Create tab and select Report. Access will generate a report based on your current data. From there, you can format it with different themes and designs. It's really that easy. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to make your work in Access even more efficient. Use keyboard shortcuts, they'll save you tons of time. For example, Ctrl+semicolon to insert the current date. Automate tasks with macros. You can set up actions like opening forms, running queries, or printing reports with just a button click, and regularly back up your database. You never know when something might go wrong, and it's always better to be safe. And that's a wrap. You now know the basics of setting up a database, creating tables, building relationships, using forms, queries, and reports. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep exploring, and soon you'll be an Access Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.